My name is Sean Cresa. I'm the Director of Operations for Outset Media. We are at the Outset Media Distribution Center in Brampton, Ontario. We are a supplier, manufacturer, and distributor of jigsaw puzzles and board games. Outset Media was founded in 1996 by Dave Manga in Victoria, BC. He started the company by creating a board game called Canadian Trivia. From there, he developed additional games and then continued to grow the business. We currently not only manufacture our own games through Outset Media, we also have a puzzle line called Cobble Hill Puzzle, and we distribute several brands throughout Canada and North America. Interesting enough, the purchase of the Modula units was twofold. One, to create more space in our facility because we didn't have enough floor space to fulfill our needs, but also it allowed us to grow our direct-to-consumer business. The direct-to-consumer business went from not being in our top 40 or 50 customers to now being in our top 20. We store two different types of products in the Modula. We store our Cobble Hill puzzle line for direct-to-consumer business, and then we store our small or low volume items in two Modulas for our wholesale business. Before the VLM, our product was stored in pallet racks. Doing so took up a lot of pallet positions, and therefore our facility was actually over capacity. Introducing the VLMs allowed us to save nearly 4,000 square feet of floor space by pushing all that product into two VLMs.
I'm Gurmeet Thalan, and I'm working at Outset Media as an assistant manager. I'm taking care of shipping, packing, and picking from Modula. We can process more orders with a one person than we did with the 3 persons. To me, it just took one day to learn everything, how I can put away, how I can pick from the Modula. So everything is clear on the Copilot, so it's intuitive and easy to navigate.
We have the LED bar description on the Modulas, which helps our employees pick the correct product.
All the information we need to pick shows on the LED bar. In past, we need the special operator, machine operator that can pick from the racks. But here, we don't need a special people, anyone can operate.
I would highly recommend Modula to another company. The Modula unit has saved us a lot of time. The Modula also allows us to save a lot of space in our warehouse that we had unavailable to us in the past. We were in a situation that was quite critical in the sense that our facility was over capacity. We were talking about downsizing, but instead of doing so, we were able to bring in the Modulas, and now we're full steam ahead in growth.